Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial series. My name is Ankur Rupani. I head the GRE Quant at Imperial. We've been into training and counseling for several years now, helping students prepare for GRE, GMAT, SAT, TOEFL, IELTS, and helping with the application process and sending them abroad. Alright guys, let's move on to question number 4. Now the level goes up a little bit. I hope you got this right. So the question is n equal to minus 2 power x, where x is a negative integer. M is the difference between the highest and the least value of n. Quantity A, m, and quantity B, 3 power 4. Again, I've given you a quantitative comparison question. You have to compare the columns, which is A bigger or B bigger, or are they equal or cannot be determined. Now the trick here is actually start plugging in and checking. So let's start. X as a negative integer. Let's put x equal to minus 1. So when I put x equal to minus 1, n becomes how much? Okay, so if I put x equal to minus 1, n will become minus 1 by 2. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's say x equal to minus 2, and if I put x equal to minus 2, you will get minus 2 power minus 2. Take the reciprocal, so you will get 1 upon 4. Correct? Let's move to x equal to minus 3. So if I put minus 3 over there, again the rule of exponents, it gets reversed. So you will get n equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, let's move ahead. X equal to minus 4. You will get 1 upon 16. Okay, now and so on, you can go ahead. Now let's look at this on the number line. First one, when I got minus half, so let me put that over here. Let's put 0 over here. Next one, we got 1 by 4, so that goes in the positive side. Next one, you got minus 1 by 8. Okay, now where will minus 1 by 8 come on the number line? It is bigger than minus half. Okay, because 1 by 8 is smaller than half, but the negative, it becomes reverse. So your minus 1 by 8 is going to be on this side. 1 by 16 will be lesser than 1 by 4. So 1 by 16 will be somewhere here. And as you go ahead, you'll find all of the other values are between this and this. Okay, so the maximum value is 1 by 4. The minimum value is minus 1 by 2. And the difference between them will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, which will be 3 by 4. Therefore, both the columns are equal. C is the answer. Okay, so this was a slightly higher level of difficulty. Hope you got it right.